if you ever worked with Muscari before, you know that you have to be very careful because suddenly they flop and there's no way we can get them back, especially when they're this far, like when they're this open. I use a little bit of this, it's like a viney, I don't even know what it's called. It's a viney moss. And here I want to put in 2 little pieces of oasis that I'm going to use for my branches. There. Got a little bit of sheet moss. Little curly willow. And I had these here out for a while so that they have the nice green sprigs on them, which really says spring too. Let's see. Maybe we'll have this here come around a little bit. The bulb plants are always really nice to work with, and we all love them. They don't last so long. And I actually tried to put mine. I put mine in the garage overnight. I know it takes a little effort, but you get twice the life out of them if they go cold at nighttime. Hmm. Love these branches. They can make everything interesting. There. I think that's pretty good for the branches. And then like this. All right. It's all nestled in right there. I like when I have these branches here on top of the nest. I'll show you. Because then it looks like that's how a bird actually would hide a little bit. So that the nest is not so obvious. See, when it goes over the nest, it's pretty. There. So then I have a little bit of jasmine that I would like to put in down here too. And because that I have the oasis, I can put it in. Could also have a little plant, like a little fern or something that we just put the whole plant in there, which would be pretty too. I just like it to look like a forest floor where things are growing. Just a little bit of, I don't need so much of this here because it could make it a little too busy. But I do like it in here. Yeah, I think that's good. Push this here down a little bit if I can. Then we'll put a couple of eggs in. Don't know if you can see in there. Put 3 in. Oh, they're cute in there. And I think this would just be a beautiful little thing to put on a coffee table, dining room table, somewhere in your house where you really see it. Because remember, they don't last forever, but they're so beautiful and they really put you in the mode for spring, and for Easter, they're just perfect. And the little nest that makes it extra little cute too. So that could be a fun little thing to do for Easter.